Hey guys, so how you can zoom in and zoom out your dock. So let's see. So just keep your cursor over this and do like this. Just zoom out, then zoom in. Zoom out, zoom in. Also, you can just right click here and hide it. So whenever you do that, your dock will automatically hide. So you can also do another thing. You can keep the dock in left and right. So let's turn this on, and you can just put it. So you can also magnification on. So whenever you click on, just hover over this, it will just magnify like this. See how beautiful it is, this looking like. Also you can just position it on the left like this, and also you can position it in the right like this. So let's now keep it in the bottoms because it looks good and easy to work with. So yeah, so right now you can see like this. Also, if you want to minimize something, there will some effect like this. Let's say I want to minimize this, so let's say I will minimize this, so it will do like this. But let's say I want some another kind of effect, so you can just do genie effect. So whenever you do like this, it will be like a genie effect. Okay, and then you can see more dock settings. So you can do a lot of settings like this. So these are the basics. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Mac tips. Thank you.